Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you guys are first visitors, welcome. If you guys want to see how I got this adorable pink peachy kind of some springy kind of look, keep watching. Okay, so here we have my bare face. Okay, so we're gonna start off with my eyebrows. You guys are gonna see the world's most ancient eyebrow pencil in dark brunette. And I believe this is by L'Oreal. It's ancient. I don't even know if they still sell it. If they do, I will link it down below. But yes, I'm filling it out ever so slightly with the lightest of strokes because we want this to look semi-natural. Because it's spring, guys. Everything about spring is natural and good. Alright, now we're going in with our Age Rewind concealer in the world's smallest concealer brush just to carve out our eyebrows and to hide any of our mistakes, which are probably there. So we're gonna just conceal them and make it all better. Alright, so now we're going in with our Carly Bible palette, but what you're going to see me do is just prime my eyelids a little bit to take all those blue undertones from my eyelids. We're going to go in with this bone shade just to take out any of the tackiness from my concealer, because we don't want things looking tacky and tacky and tacky. So we're going to dry that up right there. Yep. Get in there, Cat. You got this, girl. Right, so we're going in with a fluffy brush in this adorable, cute pink shade at the top. And it's just going to be a transition shade. It's nothing crazy, so we're just going to do that so nothing looks harsh or too bright without having any kind of transition. It's bringing the life back into my eyelids. And now we're going in with this pink shade and we're putting it right underneath. I really wish these pigments had like names so it would make it easier for you guys, but unfortunately they don't. But yeah, there's not many pigments in the palette, so you're seeing it. And I'm going in with a smaller defining brush and going with the darkest pink in the palette just to make it a little bit deeper right in the crease. Oh Lord. Okay, so now we're going in with this peachy rose gold kind of shimmer shade right in the inner corner and right on the whole eye. And I thought I was going to do it on just like the closer to like the inner corner, but I ended up doing pretty much the whole eye because it looks really pretty. So I was like, why not? And then we're going in with that highlighting shade. You like that black smear that's from a different palette? And we're putting it right in our inner corner and our eyebrow bone just to highlight and open up the eyes, because Lord knows they're closed. Okay, and now we're going in with our L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black just to do what you do with mascara. And now I'm just getting a baby wipe and wiping away any fallout, which there always is for me. And now we're going with our Born to Glow NYX Illuminating Primer. This is one of my faves, guys. You guys see it in every single video. Rubbing it in. Oh, Lord. How illuminated do I look? Very, I know. Alright, now we're going in with our Wet n Wild foundation. I use the color Beige Bronze, if you guys are wondering, and this foundation is entirely too light for me. I kind of got color over the past few weeks, so it looks pasty, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put bronzer all over our face and pretend like, you know, it's not. Because literally, it was my color a week ago, and here I am now, and it's completely not my color. Now we're going with our Age Rewind concealer. And if you guys are wondering what concealer color I am, I use Fair Clair. This is so bad because it like literally made my face like more pale than it actually is on top of the Too Light foundation. So guys, roll with me. And we're going in with our e.l.f. translucent loose powder right under the eyes to cover up those Prada bags. Alright, and we're going in with our butter bronzer. This is my favorite in life. By Physicians Formula. It's the best. Alright, so we're going in with a fluffy brush and we're just going to bronze up the nose only because I was so washed out because of that foundation, guys. Oh my Lord Jesus. So I had to go in and just bring some color back to my face. I'm telling you guys, a week ago, it was very much so my color. Now we're going back into our palette and we're going right under the eyelash line, and we're just going to put the shimmer shade, the one we put on our eyelid, right under the eye. None of the other colors are going under my eye, just the shimmery one, just to make it pop and look awake and springy and happy and fun. And we're going in with our Carbon Black Telescopic Mascara on the lower lash line. I feel so bougie and instructive, guys. This is cool. I feel so instructive. I'm just touching up any mistakes. And now we're gonna spray our face, because this is what I like to do before I put highlight on, because it keeps it tacky a little bit, and I didn't want to wear liquid highlight. So yeah, I'm combining those two that are in the Carly palette with a cute little fan brush, and I'm highlighting away while my skin's still a little damp from the setting spray. So yep, watch me do that. Now we're going with that little cute sponge little brush that nobody uses, but it's perfect for the bridge of the nose and inner corner, guys. And we're doing the snot boogers right there, yeah. Now we're going with this Revlon Ultra HD liquid lipstick. I forgot the name of it. I can have it for you, but currently in my situation, I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta be honest with you. And we're going in with a highlight just to give the lips kind of like a more metallic look. It's adorable. You get like 2 in 1. Now we're spraying it once more. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun making it. My hair looked kind of good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I love you guys.